Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to calibrate and reset a Citizen Eco Drive with module C650, C651 or C652 if the analog hands and digital display are not matching. As you can see on the screen, the time on my digital display and analog hands are not matching even if they are on the same time zone. Today I will show you how to fix that. Make sure the crown is in position 0 and turn the crown to face the function hand to CHR or chronograph. Pull the crown to position 2. Now turn the crown clockwise and anti-clockwise to face the hour hand to 0. Press the top button one time and now you have to turn the crown to set both the minute hand and the UTC small dial hands to face 0. You may need to turn the minute hands around the clock few times to face all the 3 hands, that is the minute hand and the 2 hands on the UTC dial to face 0, that is vertically facing upward. Once you are done, press the top button one time and now turn the crown to face the second hand, the yellow hand, to 0. Push the crown back to the 0 position to exit the settings. Now turn the crown to TME to show the timekeeping mode. Now you can press on the top or bottom button to find your current time zone. Here is a video on how to set the date and time quickly on this particular watch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.